Our top story tonight, a plane with malfunctioning landing gear was saved from disaster by a pickup truck.
And it's gonna crash or so, I think.
This truck just comes out of nowhere and it just like came right under it and the plane just landed right on top of the truck.
Meanwhile, inside the aircraft, passengers had been expecting the worst. The truck, a Nissan Frontier, was driven by an airport mechanic. He says he doesn't consider himself a hero.
I heard it come in over the radio. The plane was coming in, so I just had to gas it, get it up to full speed. You know, got the Pro 4X off-roading package, so this thing can handle some pretty rugged stuff.
More, including reaction from pilots and air traffic control. That's coming up tonight at 11.